How to get rid of receding hairline. It's not too good to have receding hairline, especially with young people, and it makes them look older than they are. Some remedies that we have found to regrow your hair, especially on your receding hairline. Just watch this video. 1. Castor oil and lemon essential oil. One of the best of these remedies for how to get rid of receding hairline is to massage scalp with key oils. Castor oil is one of the best remedy for doing this. Castor oil can be mixed with a few drops of lemon essential oil. Mix this in a bowl before massaging the mixture on the affected area. 2. Apple cider vinegar. It is one of the best and most effective home remedy. We will need a glass of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and once the hair washing is complete, add this mixture on your hair. Let stand a few minutes and finally rinse hair again. 3. Eat right foods. Have fish in your diet with its omega-3, vitamin D and other minerals. This protein food helps to get rid of receding hairline. Eating fish benefits you in many other ways as well, such as keeping your heart healthy. Eat foods rich in iron. Meat and poultry are loaded with iron. If you are a vegetarian, nuts, eggs, beans and lentils, squash, pumpkin seeds, and whole grains will provide plenty of iron. 4. Apply avocado paste. Avocados are one of the best home remedy to get your answer about how to get rid of receding hairline. They are packed with essential fats that are amazing moisturizing. Take an avocado, mash it into a paste with a fork. Use this avocado paste after washing your hair with shampoo. Rinse after 15 to 20 minutes. It is also a good conditioner for your hairs. 5. Eggs. Raw eggs are a great treatment for thinning hair and receding hairline. Wash your hair with a quality shampoo. Mix 2 to 3 eggs into a bowl. Cover your hair from root to tips with the egg mixture. Rinse completely after 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video about how to get rid of receding hairline. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, likes, and share. Thank you.